Okay, so for today class, we are
Hmm.
discussing about Power Builder buffer.
Hmm.
Okay, how
Okay.
many buffers are there
Hmm.
and why we are using buffer inside the Power Builder. Okay, so we have four type of buffers inside the
Hmm.
Power Builder. One is
Yes.
primary, second filter, and third delete, and the fourth one is original.
Original.
Okay,
Okay.
so buffer we are using because
Hmm.
power builder power builder data window, right?
Data window.
uh, Power builder data window used
Hmm.
to maintain the data.
Ah.
Okay, as per
Okay.
the as per the user request.
Hmm.
As per the user request, power builder maintain the data inside the buffer.
Buffer.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Ah. Okay.
uh, ये लेट्स सपोज ये डेटा विंडो है, राइट?
Ah.
ये डेटा विंडो है, ओके।
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
सो वी आर performing different operation, right?
Hmm.
We are using retrieve,
Our tray. Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Retrieve. We are using update, right?
Yeah.
We also using delete,
Hmm.
delete, and filter. Okay, so these all operation performing
Hmm.
means these are all operation generating different SQLs.
Okay.
Okay,
Ah. SQL commands.
हाँ, SQL commands, right?
Yeah.
हम अगर रिट्रीव मेथड यूज करते हैं तो रिट्रीव मेथड बिहाइंड द सीन
Hmm.
वो सेलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम द टेबल को जनरेट करता है, राइट?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
जिसकी वजह से हम पूरी टेबल
Hmm. Hmm.
इनसाइड द डेटा विंडो देख
Hmm.
पाते हैं,
Okay.
राइट? सो
Yeah.
यहाँ पर जो है ना, हम इनसाइड द डेटा विंडो देख पाते हैं, राइट?
Hmm.
यहाँ पर तुम देखोगे मैं रिट्रीव यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे
Yes.
पूरा डेटा दिख रहा है, पूरा डेटा दिख रहा है। इसका
Ah.
मतलब है कि जब हम रिट्रीव मेथड यूज
Buffer.
करते हैं तो सेलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम द टेबल,
Yes.
ये क्वेरी सबमिट
Hmm.
होती है डेटाबेस में।
Ah.
तो डेटाबेस हमें पूरा रिकॉर्ड दे देता है, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
सो सो फर्स्ट फर्स्ट टाइम,
Hmm.
ओके,
Hmm.
सो फर्स्ट टाइम data will come inside the primary buffer.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so when data will fetch from the database,
Hmm.
first it will be come into primary buffer.
Hmm.
Okay, primary
Hmm.
buffer data we can see
Hmm.
this data.
A
This data
folder.
is this data is coming from the primary buffer.
Buffer. Okay.
This data, whatever the
Yeah.
data we can see,
Hmm.
okay, we can see only primary buffer record.
Ah.
Okay, if the
Okay.
record will move into delete or or filter
Hmm.
original, we
Hmm.
can see, but
Hmm.
we have a different way. Okay,
Yeah. Yes.
but first time when you will
Hmm.
retrieve, data will come into primary buffer.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so you got it.
Yeah.
प्राइमरी
Got
का
it.
प्राइमरी का मतलब समझ में आ गया ना? प्राइमरी बफर
Hmm.
पे ही सबसे पहले डेटा रिट्रीव होकर के आता है, जो
Hmm.
हम देख पाते हैं डेटा विंडो कंट्रोल्स पे।
हाँ,
फिल्टर बफर क्या होता है?
filter buffer, second buffer we can filter the column or search.
राइट राइट राइट। सो लेट्स सपोज यहाँ पर
Hmm.
लेट्स
Now,
सपोज या
yeah,
हाँ
now we can get the all data.
हाँ राइट राइट।
Right.
और मैं यदि सिर्फ जो ना
Hmm.
डेवलिन
Hmm.
या फिर बेथ, राइट,
Hmm.
अगर मैं सिर्फ एक रिकॉर्ड
Yes.
वेयर कंडीशन पे
Hmm.
फेच करता हूं तो
Hmm.
मुझे एक रिकॉर्ड दिखेगा,
हाँ,
और जितना भी अनमैच्ड रिकॉर्ड है वो फिल्टर बफर पे चला जाएगा।
हाँ,
ओके।
ओके। वो अनसेलेक्टेड डाटा फुल फिल्टर बफर में जाएगा।
अनसेलेक्टेड,
यस।
सेलेक्ट, जो डेटा सेलेक्ट होगा वो प्राइमरी
हम्म।
बफर में रहेगा, क्योंकि प्राइमरी बफर का डेटा ही हमको
हम्म।
दिखता है।
दिखता है।
ओके।
ओके।
सो अनमैच्ड डेटा, जो मैच
हम्म।
डेटा है, लेट सपोज मैंने वेयर कंडीशन पे यदि डाला है
हम्म।
कस्टमर आईडी
हम्म।
102, so
हम्म।
102 is matched,
मैच
so matched data be
will be
will
go
be in
primary.
primary buffer,
Yes.
or all unmatched record will come into filter
Filter.
buffer.
Yes.
Okay, so you got the differences, right? Primary buffer
Yeah.
and filter buffer.
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
and let's see the delete buffer.
Hmm.
Okay, so these method will see how we will
Hmm.
use delete, okay, how we will use filter,
Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
but these are the concept which we will use. So I thought we have to give the exposure. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so what is a delete buffer? Okay,
Yeah.
so delete buffer means when you are deleting the row,
Hmm.
it will go into delete buffer.
Yes. And then which data will delete? The data goes to delete buffer.
Delete buffer.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and what is the original buffer?
Original buffer.
So
Hmm.
original buffer, let's suppose if I'm updating this
Hmm.
1 to 1
Hmm.
with 1 to 10.
Yes, the code will be changed.
So my so just a minute.
Hmm.
Let me give the clear understanding on this. Let's suppose this ID.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now ID is 102.
One. Two. Okay.
Sorry, 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
101.
Hmm.
So if I change this
Yeah.
value
Hmm.
with one this, right?
Oh, yes.
So my
Hmm.
current value is this.
110.
But my original value is this.
101.
So
Hmm.
this value will go
Hmm.
into original buffer.
Original buffer.
And this value will be into
Hmm.
primary buffer, so that
Hmm.
we can see the latest changes.
Okay. Then why we use the original buffer?
Original buffer we are using to keep a track what are
Right.
the value we have changed. Okay.
What happened? Something we are checking.
What happened, right? What happened with the record?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so first
Hmm.
time your
Hmm.
record will compete into
101.
original buffer. Okay,
Hmm.
so these are the buffers
Hmm.
which we are using inside the Power Builder. Okay,
Yes.
so buffer used to maintain the data. Okay.
Yes. Got it.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
these are the buffers which we are using inside the Power Builder. Okay. So we
Okay.
will. I thought you
Hmm.
understood these
Hmm.
concepts. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Very well understand.
So we will be do practical in the our coming sessions. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So for today, I think we did this part. Okay.
Okay.
And